My name is Nick Rowe. I'm from Tenby and I studied a foundation degree in construction management at Pembrokeshire College. To improve my skills and professional development moving forward in my career. It provided me with the underpinning knowledge and understanding required of being a construction manager. To list a few, built environment, construction technology and sustainable development were some of the topics covered. They were all very supportive, friendly and very knowledgeable in their own fields. I'm a director of my own construction company called Coastbuild. We aim to deliver projects of the highest standard servicing Pembrokeshire's southwest coast. 100%, I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking to further develop their career within the construction industry.